Mastering your Wix footer menu is key to guiding visitors seamlessly through your site. First, open your Wix website in the Wix editor. Once loaded, scroll down to your website's footer area. You'll see the existing footer menu links to customize this. Click directly on the footer menu itself. This action will reveal a menu with editing options specifically for your footer navigation. From the options that pop up, select Manage Menu. This is where you'll gain full control over your footer's navigation. The Site menu panel will open here. You can see all the pages currently in your footer menu. To add a new link, click the Add Page button, usually located at the top of this panel. You can then choose to add an existing page from your site, a custom link to an external website, or even create a brand new page directly from here to add to your footer. To rearrange the order of your footer menu items, simply click and hold on a link, then drag it up or down to your desired position. The changes will reflect live. If you need to remove a link, click on the specific menu item you want to delete. Then, look for the small X icon next to it and click it to remove that link from your footer. Once you've finished making your customizations, always remember to click the Done button. This ensures all your changes are saved and applied to your live website. Now preview your site to see your updated footer menu. This simple customization significantly enhances your website's user experience, making it easier for visitors to find what they need.